Northwest has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sheridan County in the Panhandle of Nebraska until 7:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of His Springs, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. In fact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include White Clay, Pine Ridge, intersection of Highway 87 and Craven Creek Road, Metcalf State Wildlife Management Area, intersection of Beaver Creek Road and White Clay Creek Road, intersection of Highway 87 and Larrabee Road, and Mount Maria. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Sheridan, Nebraska,